Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase SpaceX stock on Plus500. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Plus500 website if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go right here, and from here we can get started. If you're using it on your mobile device, you can go ahead and open up the App Store, and on the App Store search for Plus500 and download the application. So once you've opened it up, this is going to be the main page, and the first thing we need to do to be able to buy stocks on Plus500, you are going to click the Start Trading option to go and log into an account. You're going to need an account, so if you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create one, or if you have one, just go ahead and log in normally. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page. From this home page, we can get started. Here in the upper right corner of the home page, you are going to go ahead and be able to see the search button. Using the search button, we can go and search for whatever stock we prefer. As you can see immediately, you can see the SpaceX stock. If you do not see it right here, you can go and search for it using the search bar, and it's going to give you the result of SpaceX. So this is what we can click on. This is what you want to open up. From here, it's going to take us to the SpaceX page. From there, we can go ahead and get started taking a look at the charts. We can go ahead and click the trade button to start trading, and so on is going to be available right here. You're going to go ahead and be able to see all the info, and now you can get started once you have go ahead and created your account. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.